Let's draw Pikachu doing the Pika punch. You, you have to draw the Pikachu's ears, the head, arms, body. First, you have to draw it lightly. If you're using Procreate or other drawing apps, you can make the density of the color lighter, or you can just use a pencil and draw lightly. First, we're drawing the draft. Now we are going to draw on the top with a darker pen. We can use a pen if you use the pencil, or you can just draw on top with pencil. And I'm fixing it a little because the ratio didn't seem well. So I made the body a little shorter. Now it's time to paint. I got rid of the draft. You can erase it if you did it in pencil, or you can just delete the layer that you sketched. Now I'm coloring in the cheek, the tongue, and mouth, eyes. I'm coloring it white, the black tips, and the brown parts. And then after this, I have to color in the shadows. Okay, let's color like that. It's not that hard, right? Or you can use a marker if you're doing it on paper. And now I'm coloring the shadows. It's all this color. Of course, you can use more shades of color. It's your choice. In my case, I just decided to use this shade. It'll still look quite good. And the hand shadow and the body. The body doesn't have a shadow, but his face, the bottom part of his face has a shadow to show that that part's like going inside, right? Okay. I'm almost done. Okay, I'm finished. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.